It's time for another unboxing. Hi, Angie Dugan coming to you from our Appleton location, from the Quilting Connection. In our unboxing videos, a lot of people always ask, what is the quilt behind me? So I'm gonna start with that. This is the Gemstones quilt kit. It finishes 52 by 65. It is $89.95 for this project. It includes all the fabric you need, the pattern, quilt top and binding. You just need backing. So that is the Gemstones quilt kit. We will have that available on our website. I did cheat a little bit and opened this box first. So we do have a new pattern coming from Moda called Moroccan Nights. I can't wait to see what fabrics we're going to put with that. Usually we always have a plan for what fabrics are going to go with them. And then this is a wide back. This is from Northcott, one of the Stonehenge wide backs. Just a beautiful marbling of color in there. Box number one, already done. Box number two, I have a whole cart if you can't tell. Box number two. Ooh. This is from Moda. This is the Breathtaking Blues. We got this entire line coming in. So this is a very soft blue. It kind of looks green in the camera, but it is a very soft blue with that nice little leaf on there. The navy blue in that same line with that little white leaf. Where's buses or boxes? Oh, I did peek at these too. So we have the jelly rolls for the Breathtakingly Blues. They are beautiful. We have mini charms, 2.5 by 2.5 inch mini charms. Then we have the 5-inch charm packs too for the Breathtaking Blues. This is a Three Sisters line from Moda. We also have this pattern that came in, A Day in the Northwoods. This is for this flannel line. So we're also going to have this entire flannel line coming in, Northwoods Lodge. So flannel layer cakes. And this pattern, I believe, uses this one. Otherwise, we're using this pattern for the rest of that line. That is the rest of this box is just more of the jelly rolls and layer cakes. I always love when I open the correct side that has the bold numbers on this side so I can see them better. A beautiful solid. This is one of the Three Sister solids. Let me take that out of the plastic so you can appreciate this marbling. It is just gorgeous. So this is a beautiful navy blue from the Three Sister solids. Oh, we have 2 bolts of that. 3 bolts of that. Oh, look at this beautiful big border print. Slide that plastic down a little more. I understand why they call it Breathtaking Blues. Same print, but in the lighter blue background. Same print in the navy background. Sorry about that light reflection off of the plastic. There we go. And then the same print in a cream. Different, bigger floral print in the cream with the blue background. Beautiful blue. Let's open that one up too. Navy with that lighter blue. I would call this blue more like a medium blue and then navy for the background. Cream with those little blue prints on there. These little ditzy daisies are so cute. I would call this taupe, a taupe with that same white and little ditzy daisy. the light blue with that same navy cream background with the little flowers, little daisies. These are probably about the size of my pinky. This one is the taupe with a little bit of a darker tan in there. Light blue with the navy, and then another bolt of the cream with the taupe. Here's the lighter blue with that big fan print. Cream with the vines. Beautiful. Nice cream with a little vine in there, little flower in there. Come on and focus. Let me open it up. There we go. There, now you can see it better. Navy background with that same vine print. This is gorgeous. This is gonna be a beautiful border print. Let me open it. It is a big, bold print. Beautiful for borders, wonderful for backing. Nice, deep, rich navy color. This one is cream with these little swirled vines. There's a little bit of, I would call that teal. So teal and navy in these swirled vines. The cream and the tan in the swirled vines. The light blue, navy and teal. It's the swirled lines. And then the darker blue. So this one I would call like a white with the navy and the swirled lines. And then dark and dark. So just a little bit of a lighter blue on the navy. Cream with that white swirled vine. Same cream with the white swirl. And then last one, itty bitty leaves with the cream. So let me turn my camera. This whole line here is the Breathtaking Blues from Moda. So we have the charm packs, the jelly rolls, the mini charms, and then the entire line. I know we have a couple of projects that we will be using these fabrics for. They will be available in our Appleton store, 1017 West Northland Avenue, or on our website, quiltingconnection.com. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to Breathtaking Blues.